Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of artificial intelligence (AI) and how it's shaping the future. AI is no longer just science fiction, it's a reality transforming industries, revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact with technology. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore the evolution of AI, its impact on different sectors, ethical concerns, and what the future holds for this powerful technology. Get ready to embark on a deep dive into the fascinating world of AI, as we discuss how it's reshaping the future of humanity. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These intelligent systems can perform tasks that typically require human cognition, such as recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even making decisions. AI can be divided into two main categories: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task, such as facial recognition or language translation. General AI, on the other hand, refers to a system that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. While general AI is still in the realm of research, narrow AI is already deeply integrated into our daily lives, powering everything from smartphones to search engines. The concept of artificial intelligence dates back to the 1950s, when pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy began exploring the idea of machines that could think like humans. Early AI research focused on symbolic reasoning and rule-based systems, but progress was slow due to limited computing power and data. The AI field saw a resurgence in the 21st century, thanks to advances in machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. Today, AI is driven by vast amounts of data and powerful computing systems, enabling machines to learn from experience and perform complex tasks without explicit programming. The rapid evolution of AI over the past few decades has paved the way for groundbreaking applications in various industries. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms use statistical techniques to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. There are several types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on labeled data, while in unsupervised learning, it identifies patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, on the other hand, involves training an agent to make decisions through trial and error. Machine learning is at the heart of many AI applications, from recommendation systems to autonomous vehicles. Deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the way the human brain processes information. These networks consist of multiple layers, or neurons, that analyze data and extract increasingly complex features. Deep learning has revolutionized fields such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. It is the technology behind many of the AI-powered tools we use today, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced medical imaging systems. Deep learning models require vast amounts of data and computing power, but their ability to learn from raw data and make accurate predictions has made them a key driver of AI innovation. Natural language processing (NLP) is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. NLP is behind the development of virtual assistants, chatbots, and language translation tools. By analyzing vast amounts of text data, NLP algorithms can learn to recognize speech, translate languages, and even generate human-like responses. Recent advancements in NLP, such as the development of transformer models like GPT and BERT, have significantly improved the ability of machines to understand and generate natural language. NLP is already transforming industries like customer service, marketing, and healthcare, where communication with humans is a critical component. AI is playing a transformative role in healthcare, improving patient outcomes and making healthcare more efficient. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images, detect diseases at an early stage, and even suggest treatment plans based on patient data. In addition to diagnostics, AI is being used in drug discovery, where machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential new treatments. AI-powered robots are also assisting in surgeries, providing greater precision and reducing the risk of human error. The ability of AI to analyze large datasets quickly and accurately is revolutionizing personalized medicine, enabling healthcare providers to offer tailored treatments based on a patient's genetic makeup and medical history. The financial industry is one of the largest adopters of AI, using it to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance security. AI algorithms are used in fraud detection, analyzing transactions for suspicious activity and flagging potential security breaches. In investment management, AI is being used to develop algorithmic trading systems that can analyze market data and execute trades at lightning speed. AI is also being used in customer service, where chatbots are assisting customers with account inquiries and transactions. In addition, machine learning algorithms are helping financial institutions assess credit risk more accurately and make lending decisions based on a wider range of data points. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting applications of AI, with the potential to revolutionize transportation. Autonomous vehicles use a combination of AI, sensors, and cameras to navigate the road, avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions. Machine learning algorithms enable these vehicles to learn from their environment and improve their driving performance over time. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are leading the charge in developing autonomous vehicles, with many already being tested on public roads. While there are still technical and regulatory challenges to overcome, the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles could lead to safer roads, reduced traffic congestion, and more efficient transportation systems. Retailers are using AI to enhance the customer experience, streamline operations, and optimize inventory management. AI-powered recommendation systems analyze customer data to suggest products that match their preferences, while chatbots provide personalized customer support. In brick-and-mortar stores, AI is being used to analyze foot traffic, optimize store layouts, and improve supply chain efficiency. AI is also transforming the online shopping experience, where virtual assistants help customers find products, answer questions, and even complete transactions. Retailers that leverage AI to provide a more personalized shopping experience are gaining a competitive edge in an increasingly digital marketplace. AI is transforming the manufacturing industry by automating production processes, improving efficiency, and reducing costs. AI-powered robots are capable of performing repetitive tasks with precision and speed, reducing the need for human labor. Machine learning algorithms are also being used to predict equipment failures, enabling manufacturers to perform maintenance before a breakdown occurs. AI is also being used to optimize supply chains, improve product quality, and reduce waste. The integration of AI into manufacturing is leading to the development of smart factories, where machines communicate with each other to streamline production and improve efficiency. AI is changing the way we learn by providing personalized education experiences tailored to individual students' needs. AI-powered tutoring systems can analyze a student's performance and adapt the curriculum to focus on areas where the student is struggling. In addition to personalized learning, AI is being used to automate administrative tasks, such as grading and attendance tracking, freeing up teachers to focus on instruction. Virtual classrooms and AI-powered educational tools are also making education more accessible to students in remote areas. By leveraging AI, educators can create more engaging and effective learning experiences that cater to the unique needs of each student. The entertainment industry is embracing AI to create new content, enhance user experiences, and optimize production processes. AI algorithms are being used to generate music, write scripts, and even create visual effects for movies. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI-powered recommendation systems to suggest content based on user preferences, while social media platforms use AI to curate personalized feeds. AI is also being used in video game development, where machine learning algorithms can create realistic characters and environments that adapt to player behavior. Artificial intelligence is not just a technological revolution, it's a societal transformation that will impact every aspect of our lives. While there are challenges to overcome, such as ensuring ethical AI development and addressing the displacement of workers, the potential benefits of AI are immense. From improving healthcare outcomes to making our cities smarter and more efficient, AI has the power to make the world a better place. The key to harnessing the power of AI will be collaboration between governments, businesses, and civil society to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits everyone. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play a central role in shaping the world we live in. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, be sure to subscribe to Sam Official Tech and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in technology and innovation. AI is shaping the future, and we'll continue to explore the many ways it's changing our world. See you in the next video.